Yeah, yesterday I pinned the crank. What I got to the end of yesterday is I got the blower pulley on bracket tensioner. There's a bracket you have to relocate your positive battery cable. So for the intake, because there's a certain intake this guy has. Mounted the blower, the belt on obviously. So just put the intercooler on this morning. Now I'm plumbing the whole system. And after that is booster pump, put the injectors in, and it's kind of ready to go. Let's put the bumper pack on. I mean, I assume this makes, at least what my car makes, this should make, with the blower, over 600. I mean, we're not doing method or anything. We're doing a booster pump and injectors.
Oh, we just put the blower on it. I think we did like heads and cam to this before. And all we did now is the Supercharger kit, injectors, and a booster pump. Pretty simple invoice. I have no idea what it'll make. Depends how much boost it'll make. If it makes like 8 or 9 pounds, it'll probably make like 700. Kyle, something on this passenger side is still fucked up. It's missing on the passenger side. I don't know if it's injectors or plug or wire or what, but something's not happy. Seeing how much boost it's making. 8.5 pounds, and it made 626 that pull, so I don't know, what did it won't make 700. At least I don't think. But it'll probably make 650. It made what last time it was here? It made 450 last time it was here. So it'll pick up 200, which is pretty good for just a blower. Like 8 pounds. Like I might rev it a little higher, so it might make like 9 pounds, but still, it's good. It actually made the same boost. I revved it a little higher there. Oh no, it made another pound. It made 8.4 last time and 9.4 this time. It looked like it made the same. But I revved it to like a little over, like 6,700 there. So, which is about as high as I'll probably rev this thing. It's 633. I don't know if it'll make 650, but I'm gonna try. I think that's about all she's got. I'm gonna let it cool and make another one.
That C6Z's fresh.
Is it?
3,500 miles on it.
Do you want to get it inside?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Was it enclosed or no?
No.
This trailer?
No, it was on an open trailer.
Okay. I was worried about getting rain when I got in. I'm like, this thing's really f***ing clean.
Where did he come from?
Pittsburgh.
That's f***ing sick.
It's red. It's got the red inserts in the seats.
Like mine did, yeah.
It's an 08. All right, so this is a 2008 Z06. It has very, very low miles on it. You can see from the inside of it, it is like the seats don't even look like they're satin. The leather in the shifter is still brand new. Came to us bone stock. We did our stage 3 package, which is nice. You kind of look under the hood, really don't notice anything different besides the VARAM, but this is, I think, our highest ever stage 3 package as far as power goes. With a very clean rendition of these cars. Can't really find too many of them that are this clean.
It's in for stage 3, heads cam, had headers, stock intake manifold, and VARAM cold air intake. The Snake Charmer. I believe the headers are like Texas Speed or something like that. Something along those lines. Not what we use, but it'll still assume make good, decent power. It baselined high, 493 I think, if I remember correctly. So I mean it should make 620-ish, I would say, 630-ish. Cam's in, heads are on. I'm about to put the water pump back in, replacing the thermostat, putting the puzzle back together.
I didn't think the wideband was working, but it is. Before, I'm pretty sure we just tuned it. When I went to, like I finished tuning it, I don't remember how much E we had in it last time, but I think it's got like 72% in it now, so we probably had a little less than that. I made 705 before, but then when I went to start tuning the trans, I think it was slipping like when it went to shift. So he basically had the trans rebuilt and then brought it back, and just wants us to like make sure it's good, check the trans, do all that, and it's got more in it now. I just made the first pull. Let me see when this thing was here before. A while ago. 6/3 of 2020. Okay, I didn't think it was that long ago. But yeah, so he brought it back just to, I guess, make sure it's good, and it just made 718 there. So I haven't touched anything yet, but just make sure the trans is good, and make sure it's all good, and then send it on down the road. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's on full E now. Oh, I'm like, what the fuck is radar detector or something's going off? I didn't know what the fuck that was. Yeah, it's on full E now. So, and like 74% or something. Before, my guess it was probably only on like in between 50 and 60. So that's where the extra power is coming from, is my guess. Oh my God. Oh yeah, other than that, I mean, I'll probably make one more pull on it, and then I'll just make sure it shifts good, and it's good. I forget who he said he had build the trans, but I don't know if he did the converter too. I think Bill said he said Circle D. So my guess is he did a converter and a trans. So, but yeah, first one was a little sloppy, dude. Mr. Tyler Davis, if you want this radar detector back, I suggest you come take it out of the car in the next 3 minutes. It says it's laser, too. The thing is not accurate, because unless there's a cop sitting behind the building. I'll probably just do one more of them, and I mean, it shifted fucking awesome. I'll just do one more of them, and then we'll call it done.
Game since 2008, and Joe Rogan is one of the nicest, coolest, humble motherfuckers I've had the pleasure of working with. Understand that? And you know, it's just the noise, man. You know what they're trying to do. You can't control the man, and he's got the biggest platform in the world right now. So that's my Joe Rogan. Fuck the noise.
I'm ready. Eric did guess that this thing would make a lot of power because it baselined pretty high. I mean, it had headers, I think, on it. I don't know if it had an air intake or not, but it made like almost 500, 490 something, I think he said. And then first pull just now, it's just made 629. Which goes to show you can't compare like the end thing, because the car we just did was a stage 4, and I think made like that, made 420 something, almost, yeah, like just what this is making. This is a stage 3, but they baselined like 60 horsepower apart. So this thing should make pretty good power, because I still have some power left in it on the tune that I just had in it. So this car has 3,000 miles on it, and it had headers when it came in, but other than that, it's bone stock. Let me see. It's very rare that you get a C6Z with 3,574 miles on it. And it's a 08. That's a fresh C6Z right there. Not often you get them. Did pretty good there. 641, 553 torque, which is crazy for a car with a stock intake manifold, honestly. I mean, it's super fucking nice today, so we have the doors open, so it's probably a little cooler than normal, but that's killer. At 641, I mean, that's killer, honestly. I mean, it's funny, you can really tell, like, this thing, I guess, doesn't have a mile to wild, and you can really tell on, like, the torque on the graph where the exhaust opens up. I'll show you in a second. It's kind of crazy. Usually they have mild wilds, we just leave them open all the time, but this doesn't, so it's opening itself, and it's pretty funny. So it opens up, like, right here. They're pretty crazy. So it's like closed, and then even horsepower, but not as bad. You know, you can see it just start to change there, but it's a definitely noticeable gain on the torque. Pretty cool. Call that donezo.
T-shirt, same designs, and then I have that one. Merch plug, and then obviously the same thing. You got 53 Corvette one.
I better take the Corvette one.
Okay. Maybe you got a C6, you might as well, right?
Right?